Queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, Kings and Queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here in Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off for that and minding our business. That's the big one, but not necessarily in them for orders. So if that's something that you're interested in, like the video, subscribe, comment, all the things, join the family, turn your notification bell on, say hello, hi to your mama, daddy, uncle, sister, nephew, and everybody in there a buzz. Now, as you guys can see, we are doing the first budget with me of the last month in 2024. Oh, that is crazy. But we about to close out 2024, and yo, you know, no shade, no tea. Let's get into this budget with me. Okay, y'all, so per usual, I've zoomed y'all into my business because I love when y'all is up close and personal. Okay, get the details. So this budget, as you guys can see, is for 1 December because your girl getting paid, okay? And so I'm on salary, and today's salary, they say they giving to me $1,433. And how much is that? 69 cents. 69 cents. That is what I am budgeting for my monies, okay? And that is going to be total $1,433.69. And we going to make magic, you know. We going to make some shake with what we got, okay? So now we're going to move down to my expenses, which, you know, where we pay all the bills, child. Let me tell you something. A bill love to see me coming because they love to take my money. And I hate it for them. And they, you know, I hate it for me. And I love it. And they love it for them. Yeah, but anyways, so of course I do pay mortgage, and that is $660, which is, you know, just $660 for that. And then HOA is $50, but I think it's gonna be like $51 or $52 simply because like they charge me a processing fee if I use my card, whether that's credit or debit. And I said, wait a minute, y'all serious? They serious. I'm pretty sure they're gonna charge me a fee, and it's gonna be what it is. But baby, y'all could have not. Okay, y'all could have not. Pest control is $25. Phone bill is gonna be $56. I think it's $56. Don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna do 60 just to, you know, give us a little room, a little leg room on the budget. Merrick is $100, which is per usual. Internet is $86.44. She has been a real basic broad, and she regular, so she do everything the same, and we love to know what our bill is going to be. Patreon is $17.50. Don't ask me why it's down here if you've been here for my budget a couple of times. Baby, it just ended up on the bottom. And then Canva is $12.99. So these are all my bills that's going to hit between, well, what I want to use this paycheck to pay for. If you want to use your paycheck to pay for something else or a bill that's later, that's on you, boo-boo. But see, me, myself, and I, when the trio got together, we was like, this budget right here is going to pay for all of our bills. And then the next check that we using, we're going to use it for some fun. You feel me? So that's how I basically do my budget. My big one like this, I usually, girl, what are you doing? I usually use it for paying bills, and then the little one I do more of a saving challenge situation, even though I still do some saving challenges with this one. But you know, you can do your budget however you like. This is how I like to do mine, and it just works out for me every time. So yeah, and so now we're just trying to get our numbers, child. And $12.99. See, this is why I don't be showing y'all. I usually don't be showing y'all this part because you see how that, like, it was doing too much. So yeah, but anyways, so my total after we did the calculation is going to be $1,011.93 for this these bills, y'all. So $1,011.93, and so we're going to subtract that to 1433.69 minus the $1,011.93, and so we have 400. Ooh, we have a cute little penny now. Come on, we have $421.76 to work with. All right, we see it. Okay, we see it, and we raised you a good amount. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna move down to my cash envelopes, which cash envelopes are your basically everyday girl. Okay, she rocks with you day in, day out. She stick beside you, everything. So we're gonna go over those. Now for my tithes, that's a part of my cash envelope, I do 10%. So 10% of my salary, so this is 143. 10% of that is 143 and 36 cents, and then I'm gonna up it up to 144. So my tithes is gonna be 144. Okay. Groceries, we're gonna do 150 for groceries, simply because your girl be hungry, and I'm eating more vegetables now, y'all. And, you know, if you know anything, you know that vegetables are expensive. So I up me up to 150. Or is that what I usually do 150 if I'm not mistaken. I usually do 150, but for this budget, for this one, it's 150. Gas, I don't really need anything. As a matter of fact, I need to buy my ticket to go on a trip for 1 December, because I do need to go to the grocery store, and I'm going to the grocery store 1 December. So aka I recorded this video on I recorded this video for 1 December spending. So household, and honestly, it is a day before 1 December. You should be doing your budgets before you get paid. Otherwise, when you get paid, you're gonna be out here spending the money. So you should be budgeting before you get paid, because I know y'all see y'all it's called a leave and earning statement. So I know there's an earning statement that you guys receive, and you know what you're about to get paid, so you can make your budget. And honestly, you should make it before you get paid in your bank account, because once that bank account hits, y'all, you start moving money and moving and shaking like you wasn't supposed to be doing, but you did it. And I'm telling you that from experience, because that's exactly what I did, and I did get paid this 1 December budget, so I need to do it. Just being honest, transparency, so y'all can understand. It's tea over here. It's real. So yeah. Household, I would like to put $10 in there, because I do have to buy a laundry detergent soon, or these are the beauty beads and the white vinegar for my stuff. So I'm gonna put $10 in there for that. Allowance, I'm gonna put $20. Toiletries, I'm gonna put $5, because I just did buy deodorant, y'all. I went on a little day trip, and oh my god, okay, so much stuff. But I went on a day trip, and I did buy extra deodorant, so I don't need deodorant for a minute. So I'm only gonna put $5 in there. And then I basically did spend on my hair care, because your girl's hair was dry out here, and so I needed hair care products, and so I did that. And so now I'm gonna put $5, because there's not a necessity or a need, because I did, like I said, just bought some moisturizer, some conditioner, some mask and stuff for my hair. So yeah, girl, where is you moving to? Child, we didn't even do the totals of stuff. You see, this is why you saw you need to pay attention. So 144 plus 150. This basically took up all of the money, child. Plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. And so we got $339. So basically all of the money is gone. So $339 is what we're gonna use for what is going towards cash envelopes, and then we are going to subtract that from the $421.76. We're gonna subtract the $339, and so we have a remainder of $82.76. So remaining $82.76. Okay. And so now we're gonna go to emergency fund. So emergency fund for me, okay, I got $82.76 to work with. $82, maybe just a little bit more. So usually I do $50 for my emergency fund, but because I have money, ooh, I need to write down saving challenges down here. I didn't write that. Challenge. Okay. So my emergency fund, I am going to put $25. Okay, so I'm gonna do $25 for emergency fund there. All right, because we always need to save for emergencies. My birthday, I'm gonna put $5. Travel, I'm gonna put $30. And the reason I say I'm gonna put $30 is because I did take out Korean money again, aka I got paid before 1 December, so I've had that money since about Thanksgiving. No, pre-Thanksgiving actually. I've had this money since pre-Thanksgiving. I just haven't touched it until when I took my day trip, and so I'm accounting for my day trip money. So I'm going to put $30 for travel simply because I took that money out of the account. And so yeah, so that's going to be in Korean money that you guys will see versus seeing it in US money. So when you guys see that, just don't be surprised. And then clothing is gonna get $1 because I am in the mood of giving everybody $1. Family birthday is gonna get $1. Home maintenance is gonna get $1. Okay, mortgage is gonna get, let's say she gets, because it's 1, 2, 3, so let's do 1, 2, 3, $4 for mortgage, and let's do 1, 2, 3, 7. Let's do $2 for car maintenance, and let's do $1 for insurance. So let's see, I think it should be like $70. So 25. So 25 plus 5 plus 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, oh, delete 4 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, yeah, $70. So for my sinking funds, I am putting in $70. And so from 82.76 minus $70 does leave me with $12.76. I'm gonna put $10 in, ooh gosh, $12.76. I'll be so excited to move on. For my additional savings in my savings challenges, I'm gonna put $10 in there. Actually, let's put $11 in there because I want this, the money that I get out of the bank is an even number, so I'm trying to be even. So I'm gonna put $11 in saving challenges. Okay, and so that's gonna be a total of $11 for saving challenges, and I'm gonna put emergency EMC fund extra. I'm gonna put the $1.76, and so this is gonna be the $12.76 total, and so that's gonna leave me with a remainder of $0.00. Nothing in these two, and then I'm gonna go down here, nothing additional there, and I'm gonna go down here to categories, and I'm going to break down, I'm just gonna do a one-stop shop for all the things that I did. So my income was $1,433.69. My cash envelopes received a total, that's a lie, my expenses received a total of $1,011.93, with my cash envelope receiving $339 of the remaining money. Then my sinking funds receiving $70 of that money as well. Additional savings receiving $12.76. And so that leaves me with nothing in my nothing going towards additional debt, and then my remaining of, I don't know why my pen is acting up right now, $0.00. So okay, after all those struggle, that is basically the budget we are doing. That's how we're going to break down the money, how we're going to pay for stuff, deposit stuff, all of the things. And so if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on, child, because baby, it's a whole thing. It's a whole lot of, but I am doing 25 days of Christmas, so a video every single day. So shout out to today's video, which is the budget with me. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys have been enjoying the series. Actually, let's talk about it. Okay, have you guys been enjoying it? I hope you have. So let me know down in the comments. And yeah, if you didn't see yesterday's video, it's coming up right now, so go ahead and check it out. And baby, if you know there's a budget with me, then there's just cash stuff in, so look out for tomorrow's video. And yeah, so go ahead and check out that video. My name is Aneke, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.